जो भी ऐसे कपल्स हैं जिसमें एक पार्टनर बहुत सोशल है और एक पार्टनर थोड़ा सा ए सोशल है और एंटी सोशल है, वो बहुत फाइट करते हैं क्योंकि हर बार वो बाहर जाते हैं, पार्टी में जाते हैं, तो एक पार्टनर तो किसी से ही बात कर सकते हैं, राइट? इट कैन बी स्ट्रेंजर्स, मेन, विमेन, हुएवर, दे कैन टॉक। दूसरा पार्टनर काफ़ी अलोन साइड में बोर हो जाता है या इरिटेट हो जाता है कि कब जाएंगे, क्या होगा, एंड दे कांट फेक द कॉन्वर्जेशन समटाइम्स, राइट? तो वो हमेशा फाइट करते हैं, तो उनके लिए क्या एडवाइस है? हाउ कैन दे सॉल्व इट?
I think I've found a solution where I don't want to curb his style. So I leave at the point that I want to leave. Either you figure out a way to go back home and both of y'all should be okay with it. He should or she should, whoever is a social type should understand that it's only fair that the other person leaves when they want to. If you want that other person to stay, then you need to hang with that person. It's as simple as that. फिर झगड़े नहीं होंगे. But you can't expect the other person to change. That's not fair.
No, that's okay. But फिर जब एक इंसान चले जाता है घर, तो अब जो सोशल है उसके पास दो ऑप्शन है कि वो भी घर जाए जल्दी, कि वो अपना टाइम लगाए पहुंचने में, पर अगर वो इतना टाइम लगेगा देन ही और शी विल बी गिल्टी कि यार अब मैं जब घर जाऊंगा तो मैंने उसको टाइम नहीं दिया, एंड प्रोबेबली जो घर चले गया वो पार्टनर वेट करा है कि अब घर आके मुझसे बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करेगा, मेरे साथ बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करेगी।
पर रोज तो पार्टियां नहीं होती ना, तो जिस दिन नहीं हो रही है आप साथ में टाइम स्पेंड करो. दैट इज अ बिट अनफेयर टू द पर्सन हु इज सोशल, बिकॉज ही और शी शुड बी अलाउड टू बी द वे दे आर एंड शुड नॉट फील गिल्टी, शुड नॉट नीड टू बी फील गिल्टी ऑल्सो बाय द अदर पर्सन हु गोज अवे.
एंड यू थिंक जब वो घर जाता है आफ्टर सोशल लाइफ,
जैसे मैं तो सो जाती हूँ.
ओके, अच्छा, दैट्स व्हाट माय क्वेश्चन.
सो जाती हूँ या कुछ पढ़ती हूँ या कुछ देखती हूँ, जो भी है.
यू डोंट वेट फॉर हिम टू नाउ कि ओके ही नीड्स टू कम बैक.
Previously I used to wait because I need to lock the bedroom door. So, and I would tell him come and I would wait for him. Now I tell him you come and knock. I'll open it.
Acha. Okay. You both are working people. Okay. You both work. You both have your independent careers. कभी difficult होता है relationship manage करने में कि when both of you come home, aren't you're exhausted, you're done कि अब बात मत करो मुझसे, मुझे सोना है, like irritate हो गया.
Yeah.
Do you still talk? How do you manage?
No. I tell him that, I need some time. Because like I told you, a lot of times I've been surrounded by so many people that I need physical space also. And then he's watching TV or something. I don't want the sound of the TV. I just go into the bedroom or to whichever, and I just chill for a bit by myself before I come and talk to him or before he comes in. Now I think we know each other's moods. We know each other needs, when the other needs space. We don't prod the other person when we realize that maybe with a little space and time, either he or I will talk about what we've gone through in the day, or why we're irritable, or why we're tired, or why we're, we give each other that space. But previously, of course, you take it initially, I guess you take it personally, right? कि ये खराब मूड में आया तो मैंने कुछ किया क्या?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. But then you realize that it does not, the world doesn't revolve around you. And that person has a life independent of you. And there could be other things that are irritating him or her. But I think that all that happens with time. Yeah.
But you said something very beautiful, which I feel is the fundamental problem which people don't realize. You said that I tell him that today I need space.
Yeah.
Right? And I think that's what the other partner needs to feel. What most of the time what we make mistake is
we expect
go home,
the other.
Exactly. We go home and we expect other person to understand.
Yeah.
Like you're just agitated, you have given everything that you have, every inch of your blood sweat to your work. Now you're coming home, you're irritated and you're maybe on your phone or maybe just by yourself. And at this time you expect that your partner should understand.
Yeah. But I think it's also so incredible, right? I think I started saying this and I say it in a way where I'm not pushing the other person away, right? You're also sensitive to that. And he's also understood that when I say I need time, to just let me be, that I need to calm my nerves.
Yeah.
So it's not about him. And there are days when he just wants to go into another room and be by himself, and I completely understand that. But I think these things, I think basically, Raj, in a relationship, if we were able to tell the other person what we needed or wanted, it would solve so much.
Yeah.
But I don't know why हम लोग इतना झिझकते हैं
बताने में.
हाँ, like a small thing like this, like, I've had a bad day, just give me some time. That's all it takes.
Just telling the other person that,
that because the other person is also not imagining that you're upset with them then.
Yep. But I got this realization very recently because of my dog.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I'll tell you how. So I feel if I have a long day at work and now I'm at home and I don't want to put any effort and just be lazy and just be with myself, I don't deserve to be in a relationship with someone. And this I got from my dog, like, because I feel he's been waiting the whole day just to see me for 2 minutes. And if I expect him to just understand my world, he cannot. And that goes on to with my girlfriend, with my mom, with my dad, with everyone, because they are doing their part by understanding that I need to go at work and they're not annoying me or they're not trying to call me till 9 p.m., 10 p.m. So now when I come home, I cannot expect them to not not talk to me. So I need to go there and tell them about something, or maybe have like a 5-10 minutes of their time and then explain them. That there are going to be days where I'm going to be with you and have conversation for 2 hours. And there are going to be days where I'll only be able to talk to you for 5 minutes. But I need to give those 5 minutes. I cannot expect them कि मेरा long day था, इसकी वजह से आप समझ जाओ.
Yeah, correct.
So I cannot do that. I should never do that. And this understanding I came from my dog, that he would always get excited when I come home and I'm like, yaar, irritate mat kar. This. And when you become like a single dog parent, then you get responsibilities on another level ki aaj tak to tum pe koi responsibility nahi thi. And I would always see him every day. If I come after 1 day, he's excited. 10 days, excited. 1 hour, he's excited. And I'm like, ho gaya, abhi to gaya samay, like just irritated. And then I'm like, no, I can't expect him. All he's expecting me to is just run with him for 2 minutes and that's it. And that's what put me in realization, oh, that's what my mom also wants. 2 minute FaceTime hi to karna chahti hai wo. That's what my girlfriend also wants. 5 minutes FaceTime. They're not expecting me to be there for them for like 2 ghante baat nahi karni hai.
No, but I think, I'm a bit conflicted about this because I feel that दूसरों के लिए इतना जब हम सोचते हैं ना, ऑफ कोर्स अपने हैं, पर अपनों के लिए भी जब इतना सोचते हैं, कभी we forget what we need and want. I think it's also important to tell them that, you know what, I need some time off today. And if you're honest ना, first time, second time, third time उनको खराब लगेगा, पर फिर they'll understand. Because you're not being like that with them every day. If you are, then you're avoiding them.
Yeah.
But you could have a bad day, right? And sometimes it's only fair. Okay. It's absolutely fine. It's not like you're not a dog. Dogs are beautiful, but you're not a dog, no? You are a person. And you have every right to be in a bad mood, to be tired, to be chidchida, or excited about something, or you could be going through some stress or pressure, and that's fine.
Maybe, but I believe that I need to give at least 5 minutes. Even though I'm stressed, I'm tired, because if I have chosen to be in a relationship with someone, be it my girlfriend or my father or my mother or my brother, if I've chosen to be in that relationship and I want it to really work, I think I should be there for them, at least to make them understand what I went through today for 5 minutes minimum. I should not just avoid them.
Not avoid them.
Even on the bad days, I should not avoid them, is what I'm saying.
No, I think that's unfair to yourself. You're being unfair to yourself then. You have to also be there for yourself, right?
तो पूरे दिन था ना मैं अपने लिए
नहीं कर रहा था काम. पर सिर्फ काम अपने लिए नहीं होता. मतलब you're not standing by yourself when you're working. And that's not the only way we stand by ourselves, is what I mean. I was trying to articulate it correctly. Even when you're resting, it's standing by yourself. It's doing something for yourself. There's nothing wrong. There might be a day when you don't feel like stepping out with your girlfriend, even though it's an off day. Are you not entitled to that? I don't think so. But if you're able to tell your girlfriend the truth, I think she will. Not that you're in that situation, but I'm just giving you a hypothetical. But I think she will appreciate and respect it. First few times she may say, what are you trying to do? Do you not want to meet me? वो सब होता है, पर over time now you realize and you respect that.
Thank you so much for watching this clip till the end. For more such amazing, insightful clips, please subscribe to our channel.